I'm gonna show you how to process multiple file images save on your computer in Photoshop. So let's check about it. Go to File, go to Script, and click on Image Processors. Click on Use Open Images. Save. Check on Select Folder to save your processing images. Select which folder you want to save all the file or images. Save as JPEG. Put quality 1 to 12. 12 is the highest size rate. Or you can save it as PSD, or you can save it as TIFF file. And uncheck it. I need JPGs, and I am keeping image size with 8 and click on Run. Photoshop will start processing images one by one automatically on all the open images. Processor will start to save to that specific folder. Thank you.